All right, boys and girls, welcome to Go On Guitar. We have Justin Bieber, and he sings YUKON, having a great time on the boat there, water in the background. I wish I had the water just closer to me. It would be very nice to just jumping. Anyway, we have to work a little bit, so let's go into this tutorial. Justin Bieber, YUKON, and we have it set up here with the capo on the 8th fret, high up, because we want to have these cool high notes combined with easy chords. So that's the reason, capo on 8. Let's go into the chords, and we're gonna start with the E minor 7. All right, so that's very simple. We have all strings open except from the 2nd fret A string. And we incorporate, like I said, all strings there, and that's the E minor 7. Next chord is the F sharp. That's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down all strings there with the index, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. And finally, we have the B minor, again a bar chord, and again on 2nd fret. This time you don't have to push down the last E string, but the 5 strings below are necessary. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And that's the chord progression through the entire song. Now let's go into the first part, which is just clean and straightforward strumming. So if you grab the first chord, very easy, this E minor 7, and one string around will be like this. Okay, so you play first 1 down, and then short pause, and then up clap, and then down, and then 1 clap. So down, up, clap, down, clap, down, up, clap, down, clap, down, up, clap, down, clap. Okay, so that is what you're gonna work with for E minor, one of these string rounds. Then for the F sharp, the same there, 1 round, and then for B minor, 2 rounds. And you can just keep on doing that from the beginning till the very end. Let's go for a round of this strumming. All right, so there you have it. Now let's go into the cool melodies. We're gonna go chord by chord again. So we're gonna start with E minor. You can start to do that down, up to start with, or just 1 down. It's up to you. Okay, so down, up, or just 1 down. And then you're gonna play the following notes. You can find them here on the high E string. You're gonna play on the 2nd fret 3 times, and then 3 times on the open high E. So that means when I play the strumming here, I have the chord there, and then I use a 2nd finger, like my ring finger, to get the notes there on the 2nd fret E string. So like this. Okay, so. Then you go into the F sharp chord, and the same there. You can do the down, up, or just 1 down. And then you're gonna get the following notes. You can find them on the B string. Now you're gonna stretch a little bit with using your little pinky. You stretch out to the 5th fret. You're gonna play 3 times there. And then you go to the 3rd fret on the same B string and play 2 times. And then 1 time on the 2nd fret B string. So. And that's F sharp. Then over to the B minor, and that is twice as long as the other one. So the first round, you're gonna play just. So that is from 2nd fret B string to 3rd fret. And then you continue with the strumming, and then the second time you go into the strumming, you're gonna play. And again on the B string there, 3rd fret B string, and then 2 times on 2nd fret B string, and then back to 3rd fret B string. And there you have the melody. Okay, I'm aware that this is not possible to play exactly the notes and exactly to fit into the strumming, so you have to make it kind of a mix there. So you go into the melody and play as many notes as you can and combine that with a complete strumming there, and it could sound something like this. guys, I hope you enjoy this. Justin Bieber's Yukon, great, cool song. And I'm enjoying the great weather here in South France. Hope you have some good times as well. Good luck and see you soon.